This person 3 times their portfolio in 30 days. This person covered their member dues for the year using calls made in those future forecast videos. Down here, this person sold and made $4,000 based on CleanSpark in the calls in those future forecast videos. So you do not want to miss out. Ethereum is actively breaking from current structure resistance, but you need to know exactly where it's likely to stop and what signals to look for in order to call the top. Well, that is what we're here for today. We're going to look exactly where Ethereum could be heading next, as well as when to expect the next major drop in the market. Let's jump into it. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident.io. Thank you so much for joining us today. Before we get into any analysis, we'll get to it very quickly here. Just stick with me just a moment, but we have a brand new future forecast out. Here is the $1 million master plan for this cycle. You do not want to miss this video. Today, the founder of Trade Confident, Travis Martin, will be showing you the 3 paths price action will take for this next market phase and show you the specific price zones where we believe everyone should dollar cost average, when you should hold, and when you should actually dollar cost average out of the market. In addition, Travis is going to show you exactly how many days you have left to lock in all crypto purchases so you can take advantage of long-term capital gains before the peak to pay the least amount of taxes overall. He's then going to show you the percent allocation he believes you should have in the market right now versus cash to buy this next dip, and where Travis has marked up a golden buy zone where he's saving $10,000 on the sidelines to immediately buy low cap gems if we hit this price for massive gains. Now, from these masterclass videos, this person 3 times their portfolio in 30 days. This person covered their member dues for the year using calls made in those future forecast videos. Down here, this person sold and made $4,000 based on CleanSpark in the calls in those future forecast videos. So you do not want to miss out. Links to these future forecast videos are in the description down below with the membership. With that, let's jump into the analysis. We're going to head down to Ethereum, and the very first metric we're taking a look at is the emotional index here. Now, currently, despite today's price move up, we are sitting in neutral territory. Most often, if the price is rising while this metric is decreasing, this is actually bullish. This is overall divergence, and what this tells me is we could actually see continued moves to the upside. Next up is going to be the Ethereum volatility breakout detector. We are due for a major move. The breakout zone is where we're sitting, and typically when we drop into this zone, as you can see multiple times in the past, this is where we're seeing some absolutely insane volatility in the market. So we need to be ready. We need to be watching because big moves are incoming. Now, this is not going to tell you the direction, only the size of the next move. If you want direction, you need to be paying attention to what whales are doing. And while we are getting a little bit of short trade sentiment here from the whale smart money metric, it is not until we see a value of around -800, it's going to sit right about this line that we're really looking for those moves down. You can see right here when we crossed it, that's when we start moving back down. Now, this shows you what whales are likely to do soon, a little bit of short trade sentiment, but if we scroll down here, we can see what whales are actively doing. And as of today, whales are moving money very quickly into this market. Now, we have a major structure resistance at this level right about here that we need to pay attention to. So if whale money bumps into that and begins moving down, we can expect price moves down. But if whale money continues up and actually breaks above this little resistance right here, we can expect some very sharp moves to the upside for Ethereum. Next up, let's talk about targets. Currently, we have 2 major resistance structures right here, 2,400 followed by $2,448. I think 2,448 is going to be our main target for today. If we manage to break that, though, we do need to be watching for 2,717. I think we are going to top out at $2,448, though. And last but not least is going to be the Ethereum trade signals chart. As the price moves up over the next couple of days, watch for a sell signal. Whenever we're getting these sell signals, this is where we're seeing moves down in Ethereum. Beautiful calls over and over and over again. A sell signal here will very likely indicate the top and signal the next following move to the downside. Now, if you're an Ethereum trader, you need to be paying very close attention to these metrics. They're updated every day at 8 a.m. Pacific time. Members are going to get access to these along with all 20 coins worth of metrics on our website do not forget about the brand new future forecast out now. And members, as a heads up, you do have brand new trade setups. We're currently 132 wins, 0 losses, a few more trades for you to take at this time. But I want everyone to be focusing on the future forecast video today. If you want to get access to all this and more, you could find the links in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more. The membership is the very first link. Click that. It'll bring you to our membership page. Full access for $59 a month is what you're looking for. Hurry because price increases are coming soon. As we scroll down here, it's going to give you future forecasts, all trade setups, live Zoom coaching every month, metrics across all 20 coins on our website, members only indicator coupon codes, morning brew overview, and many more benefits. These are going to be so helpful in your everyday trades. Go and click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. With that, we are heading into the live charts. We're trading Ethereum USD on the 1-day time frame with the TC top and bottom finder, price versus well money flow, and trades in favor indicators. The price currently sits at $2,352 after breaking resistance at $2,332 with our current resistance sitting at $2,448. Now, I know that's a lot of numbers to pay attention to. Currently, we're just focusing on $2,448. That is going to be our main focus today. And first things first, I want to talk to you about this resistance structure that is on the price versus well money flow. Well money is sharply flowing into the market right now. This is a good sign, very bullish for Ethereum, but at this point, we are actively testing this resistance. We're about to touch it. And this is going to be a crucial point. I want everyone to be watching this. If whale money bounces down from this level, we can expect some pretty sharp moves to the downside. But as we lead up to it, and if we break through it, we should be expecting moves up. This is because where whale money goes, the price is likely to go too. They are the market makers. They are what have designed this market to benefit them. And unfortunately, us retailers simply cannot beat them. Instead, what we need to do is actually trade with them. So as long as whale money is moving into the market, we should be expecting price moves up. As soon as it begins moving down, this is when we're expecting drops. Now, as we approach this resistance structure, and whale money is moving upwards, what I want to see is price versus well money flow high, trades in favor high, and I'd like to see a sell signal at this level. If we get all three of these signals, it just about guarantees the next move to the downside. As you can see here, whale money high, trades in favor high, sell signal, drop. Whale money high, trades in favor high, sell signal, drop. Whale money high, trades in favor high, sell signal, drop. Whale money high, trades in favor high, sell signal, drop. Over and over and over again, and actually twice in a row at this exact resistance structure that we're watching. We need to be very, very careful of this, and keep in mind there's also an ascending previous structure support, now resistance at this level that we could be touching over the next couple of days. So we see how to call the top on the 1-day time frame. Once we see those signals, price versus well money flow high, trades in favor high, and a sell signal, this should call the next move down. But just how far is this move down going to take us? Well, if we head to the 1 week, price versus well money flow is actually already high. We currently see a 52% chance of a drop on the 1 week time frame. So with the 1-day time frame showing extremely bearish, the 1 week showing bearish, we should be expecting some pretty large moves down. Now, my current structure supports sit at $2,136 and $1,909. I think that's the absolute lowest we could go before the next halving event, and the massive breakout top that we should see as we move into the bull market. Get ready, guys, because this is going to be some crazy moves. Now, as the price drops, we're going to be looking for price versus well money flow low, trades in favor low, and ideally a buy signal. If you see all three of these, this could be a great time to buy in and a major signal for massive pumps to come. So do not miss out on those signals, but we are getting a little bit ahead of ourselves right now. Once again, over and over again, I know I keep saying it, we need to see price versus well money flow high, we need to see trades in favor high, and we need to see a sell signal. No matter where that's at, we should be expecting moves down, but currently we are looking for a move up to $2,448 before that drop. And from the current price, this would be a move up of about 4%, 3.89% to be exact. Very easy move. Now, as this plays out, if you want to call the top and the subsequent bottom, You need to be paying very close attention to these indicators, and I can help you get them right now for $550 off. You do not want to miss out on these signals. Check it out. Once again, links are in the description. Go ahead and scroll down, click more. The indicators are the second link. Click that. Make sure you have your membership. It is significantly cheaper to purchase with a membership than it is without one. Access the coupon code at this link, then click Pro Indicator Pack. Go ahead and scroll down, click I want this, throw in that membership code, fill in your information, click Pay, and it's going to offer you the TC Top and Bottom Finder for $400 off, giving you a full $550 discount. Go and click Add to Cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. With that, I just want to say thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you in the Master Plan Future Forecast video. Don't miss out.